we have this message: thank you for using Delta. Okay, let me click here. As you can see, all scripts are added successfully. Hello there people, and welcome back to my channel. Today I will show you how I got Delta Executor for Roblox. Guys, absolutely free, safe and online, guys. So let's get started. Go to the Google or any browser you have and navigate to this website called AppLoop. Then type in search Delta Executor and you will find the online tool. Click there, guys, and I will have to enter our Roblox user ID. So if you don't know how to find it, just click here, or let me just show you. So open your profile official of your Roblox and just copy your profile link. Okay, it's super easy. Let's get back to the R tool. Then you have paste button and automatically you will get your Roblox user ID. Let me click continue, guys. As you can see, it found and our user ID successfully connected. The next step is select on button and select script that you want to add to our account, guys. So I will select this. Let me click continue and let's see, does it actually work? So guys, if you want to follow the latest tutorial for Roblox Delta Executor, make sure to subscribe to my channel. I record more of these and more websites for now. This AppLoop is the best working method. Okay guys, AP connected, nice. Just scroll down and click I'm not a robot to verify yourself. Perfect, guys, and now we're in the manual verification step, the last one, the most important step. So what we need to do here, guys, we need to download 2 free games or apps or complete those simple questionnaire. It's your choice. Just click here on free, click go, and it will start the loading from the official publisher where the app are downloaded. Complete the task. Below each task you have a description what you have to do. So guys, I will download Travel Town and Underdog Fantasy, so I'll be back after I complete these 2 tasks.
A few minutes later.
Okay guys, I have just completed this task and this task, and I got this message: you completed 2 tasks successfully along this redirecting. So if you have this message, guys, just wait for redirecting and let's see the magic. Okay, verification successful. Thank you for passing the bot check. Delta Executor is important to your account, guys. I'm so excited to test this. So let me open the game and let me show you. Okay, okay guys, now I'm in the game and I will show you this amazing Delta. Okay, as you can see, we have this panel and we have this message: thank you for using Delta. Okay, let me click here. As you can see, all scripts are added successfully. Just click execute, and as you can see, guys, this is working perfectly. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this review. Thank you for watching and see you in the next. Bye.